cereals, what we used to eat, rice, wheat, paddy, then bajra, maize, these all are the cereals. Then bamboo, then sugarcane, these all are the plant of grass family. Now we will discuss about the importance of these plants one by one. First of all, what is the use of grass? We know some herbivorous animal like cow, goat, they used to eat grass. So it is the main food for them. Herbivores like cow, deer, goat, buffaloes, feed themselves or feed by the on a green grass. So this is one of the uses of the grass. Second, grasses are used to make paper. Which grass? That is bamboo, which is the tallest grass. Bamboo is the tallest grass and it is used to make a paper. There are other uses of bamboo also. We used to, making some house, that is kacha house. Then we used to make a bridge also, and then fences also we used to make with the help of bamboo. Then bamboo we used to eat also. For example, you heard about the bus curry. It is a small bamboo plant only which we are eating. Some are making that pickles also of it. So many uses of bamboo is there. And this is of grass family. Now third, the root of the grass. You can see if you want to pick out the grass from the soil, it is very difficult for you because their root hold the grass very tightly. So the root of the grass holds the soil together. Holds the soil together to prevent soil erosion. To prevent soil erosion. This is also the importance of grass only, because if there is a grass in the field, the soil will be not eroded by the wind or anything. So they are used to make sugar also. Sugarcane is also a grass which we used to crush it and we make sugar from it. So they used to make a sugar also. cane is a plant of grass family which is used to make sugar. And then most important use of plant of grass family, grasses like cereals are the main part of our food. Okay. It is a main part of our food. Rice we used to eat, which we get from a paddy crop. Paddy crop is a plant of the grass family only. Then wheat we used to eat. That is also a plant of wheat. We are not eating. We are eating chapati. That is a wheat flour. Okay. And sometimes dalia also we used to eat. That is a product of wheat only. So like that, the wheat also we used in our diet. Then maize also we like very much. That is also a plant of a grass family. Bajra. These are also a plant of a grass family. So we can see the grasses like cereals are the main source of our food. So here we can see that the plant of the grass family is very important for us. It is the main source of food for the herbivorous animal like cow, deer, goat, buffaloes. Then with the bamboo we used to make a paper, and bamboo is a plant of a grass family only. It is the tallest grass. Then the root of the grass hold the soil very tightly, okay, all together to prevent soil erosion. And soil is very important. Okay, upmost layer of the soil is only fertile. If it will erode, then no plant will grow, and how we will eat then? We all are depends on plant only. Whether you are the primary consumer or secondary consumer, all animal depends on plants, and plants ultimately depends on sunlight. So ultimate source of energy is sunlight only. So soil is very important. If soil is fertile, then only plant will grow. Then sugarcane is a plant of grass family which is used to make sugar. So sugar also we are getting from the plant of the grass family only, and the cereals like paddy, bajra, maize, wheat is the main source of our food. So here we can see that plants of the grass family is very useful for us. That's all for today.